know those teams that always seem one step ahead? Here's what they are doing right. They fall in love with the problem first, not the solution. Hi, I'm Dana Vețan, head of training at Design Sprint Academy, and together with my partner John Vețan, we created the Problem Framing Playbook, a practical system to help teams start solving the right problem. Now, we didn't create this method because we thought, the world just needs another framework. We created it out of necessity, after seeing how often teams jumped into solutions without actually understanding the problem. And it was Google who validated that need. In 2018, Google invited us to share our problem framing method with their teams in San Francisco. Since then, it's helped teams at SAP, HSBC, Nike, Ernst & Young, RGA, Turner Construction, and lots more make better decisions faster, especially when the stakes were high and the problems were complex. Until now, this method lived behind closed doors, part of our corporate training toolkit used only with private clients. For the first time, we are making it public. This playbook gives you the exact tools we use in our 35K client workshops. Step-by-step exercises that actually work, guidance on how to prep, who to invite and what to avoid, proven templates and ready-to-use worksheets. Everything's laid out, no guesswork, no starting from scratch. So when should you use it? When a stakeholder says, let's just do what the competition does, or when your roadmap is blocked by so many clashing priorities, when you're kicking off a big AI, CX, or digital initiative, or when your team can't even agree what success looks like. And if any of that sounds familiar, that's actually a good sign, because noticing the misalignment is already progress. You've done the hardest part, realizing something's off. Now it's time to do something about it. Whether you're leading a strategy session, a discovery sprint, or trying to get decisions unstuck, the Problem Framing Playbook helps you lead a conversation with clarity and confidence. If you want to be the person executives turn to when things get messy, grab the playbook and let's get to work.